Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how to make this simple beaded earring. Okay, this one is absolutely simple, very easy for you to make. Okay, all you just need to make your earring is 11O seed bead. You can use 8O seed bead as well. Okay, this is 11O. You need your earrings. Okay, as you can see, I have two sizes of earring here. Okay, this one is bigger and this one is the smaller one, but for the sake of the tutorial we'll be making use of this size. Okay, you need your earrings, you need your pliers, all right, and you need your wire. Okay, if you don't have this type of wire, you can as well make use of your copper wire. Okay, this is 0.50, but this is 0.40. If you don't have this, you can make use of this, depending on the size of seed bead you are using. Okay, so these are just the materials we need for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If yes, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share it for others to see, and leave me your comment. Any question, ask me down below. Okay, and let's get into today's business. So the first thing we will be doing is to string our seed bead in the wire. Okay, we are going to string as much as possible into the wire. So now we continue to string the seed bead in the wire. All right, like I said, string as much as possible. Okay, as much as possible. So as you are watching, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. All right, you are highly welcome to my channel. I am super glad to have you here. So I've stringed to this length. Okay, so the next thing, pick your earring, open it. All right, then your wire. The next thing, hold your wire just like so, and then roll it over it. Okay, I hope it is clear. Roll it properly. As you are rolling, make sure it is very tight, else your work will not be neat. Okay, roll it like 4 to 5 times. Okay, make sure it is very tight. All right, so after rolling, you can see this part where I hold to start rolling. Okay, just use your plier, so then hold it tight like so, and then roll it like so. You have to secure this part properly. All right, just make sure you secure that part properly. Okay, once that is done, this is what we have. So the next thing, just push the bead down like so. After pushing it, then we start to roll, and while rolling it all over the earring, you have to be watchful. As you are rolling, be checking if there is no space in between. Okay, now roll like so. All right, then push it like so. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Roll. As you are rolling, you have to be checking the sides. Make sure there is no space. Hold your hand to the bead like so. Roll. Continue checking if there is space in between. Push it. Make sure there is no space there in between the beads. Okay, so you can cover the wire. Then roll. Okay, as you are rolling, make sure it is so tight. Push the bead down. Okay, hold it tight. All right, then roll. As you are rolling, continue to check. Okay, then roll. As you are rolling, continue to check the other side if it is okay. Okay, then roll. As you can see, continue to check. Hold it so close. Make sure you hold it tight. Then roll. Continue to check if what you are doing is okay. Okay, if it is not okay, go back, hold your bead so tight here, then roll. This is a very simple tutorial, very easy process, simple and nice bead. Okay, you can use any color that you want. So we'll continue like so until we get to this point. Okay, so now we have done this to the end of the earring. As you can see how beautiful it is. Very simple, very easy to make. All right, so what I am going to do now is to roll the wire around the bead. As you're rolling, make sure it is very tight. Okay, to secure that part, make sure it is very, very tight. Okay, I'll roll it like 5 times. Okay, so that is it. Now just cut it out. After cutting, use your plier to secure where you cut. Press it down to have a neat work. Okay, so that is it, guys. We are done making our earrings. See, it's so simple to make. Okay, and it does not require much materials. All right, so rock your earring and then you are good to go. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please do give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping by. Join this awesome family by hitting on the subscribe button. It is free. Subscription is free, so do it on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.